Alright, welcome, Internet. Today, we are checking out one of the free games off of Steam. Because I'm poor, I can't afford games, what can I say? This one looked kind of interesting. It's going to be one of those top-down shooter, like old school, like spaceship flying ones. At least that's what it looked like, only I think you're a chicken. Or no, you're fighting chickens. Anyway, I saw it on Steam and I was like, you know what, this one kind of looks funny. So we are going to check out this guy right here. Chicken Invaders Universe. So, let's see. Alright, we got a little bit of... Oh, the Henpire. Okay. So yeah. Not a lot. There we go. I wonder if all those people are, or all those names are just different people's games or something. Okay. Now, is this a... Ah, okay. So it's controlled by the mouse. Oh, see, I figured that out already. Hostile Empire forces. So flying, firing. Okay, so shoot the chickens, avoid the eggs, collect food. Alright, here we go. Level 1. Oh. Okay, so they have them. There's like little glass ornaments. I'm assuming that's because it's Christmas. Okay, heat gauge. Okay, so heat gauge, top area, current heat, opens. Okay. Oh, did I get hit by something? It seems more powerful, but this one's definitely a little on the slower side. Okay. So double press and hold left click. Overdrive firing. Okay, so faster firing. Don't. Not entirely sure what all the food is supposed to be doing. I'm assuming the food is just points. Okay. Alright, so keys. Alright, so after your keys... Oh, what the heck did it hit? Okay. Alright, so boss fight. Let's see. So we are at a lot. Don't know what I got, but there we go. There. Okay. Alright, well. That's definitely a fun little game. Little interesting mission. So let's see. So now, skip all this, skip all this. Okay. So this is all just our stuff. Alright, I don't think I need to know any of that. What's all this stuff? You know what? I'm not gonna bother with any of this. What is this? Okay, so it just takes... Okay, so we got fuel, food, keys. I don't know what that means. Okay, so we are now in... Ooh. That is some really sensitive scroll wheel. Okay, so you have to enter orbit. What about this one? We're gonna go there. Alright, we'll do one more level. We'll probably call it there. It's taking forever. This has got to be the most sensitive scroll wheel. Good heavens. Nope. Okay. So then... okay, so duration, difficulty. Yeah, these must be all the people who have done these. Oh, so that's levels. How do you do levels? You know what? I don't know. We're gonna do this. Fly mission. Okay, well I guess I don't have a lot of stuff right now, so... that's okay. Fly mission. Alright. Oh, 20 waves. Woo! Ooh! Somebody's shooting lasers. I gotta say, this is kind of a goofy little game. And starting to wonder if I'm a little too far on those. Was there more missions in the other spot? I'm gonna have to go back and check that other spot, but that's okay. And, oh, I don't want to catch those. Ooh, it does. And, oh. Okay. That was only wave one. Oh, jeez, I totally didn't get that one. Oh boy, that was bad. Oh, I can't do that. How am I supposed to... what do I do? That? Okay. I don't know what this is, but it's awesome. That was bad. So they just try to tempt you. Oh, they shoot feathers? Oh, it's poop. They're shooting poop at me. Oh. Okay, well, apparently I was not ready for that. Anyway, I think that's gonna do it. It's kind of a goofy little game. But that is Chicken Invaders Universe. With a scroll wheel that is gigantic. And that's a huge... Holy cow. Yeah, anyway... If you do use a scroll wheel, be careful, because that goes crazy. What is over here, anyway? So, yeah. Alright, until next time, go ahead and like or subscribe or do whatever you want. If you've got a game you want me to play, let me know. Preferably free, because, you know, I'm poor, I can't play games. So, until next time, have fun!